In this video, I'm going to talk about engine mount adapters for 38mm diameter rocket kits, such as this one here. It has a 38mm motor, and as you can see, this is a standard 38mm casing, and the motor slides in just fine. If the rocket is light enough, you can actually use a 29mm motor in it. But what you're going to need is a motor mount adapter such as this. And as you can see, it is deceptively very simple. It's just a tube with two rings in it, and the rings will center it up in the rocket kit like that. But the question is, how do you hold this inside this, and how do you hold this, the casing, inside this part so that the casing doesn't pop out at ejection? Well, that's what the purpose of this video is. I'm going to show you a number of ways that we can hold the casing in here and then this into the rocket. The first part is pretty simple. You can get a ring, and some of the adapter kits come with these rings that you can just slide onto the tube like this, and then glue it in place, and that becomes the engine block that holds this engine adapter, and it prevents it from sliding forwards. And then what you do is take your engine, slide it in, and just take your masking tape, and that will be taped to the engine mount adapter like that, and you can trim it up really nice and pretty. I'm just doing it kind of quick here. And then this slides in here, and then again you'll just tape this around the back end like that. Okay, pretty simple. That's the simple and cheap way of doing it. Now, it's not pretty, so I'll show you a couple other methods. Typically, a lot of kits, especially the high power kits, 38mm, you'll use an engine retainer system. We sell the Aero Pack retainers, and most of the other ones are sort of similar. Basically, it's a two-ring system. Well, you'll glue one ring onto the engine mount tube itself on the rocket. And typically, your engine goes inside of that like that, and then this other ring is just screwed on, and that prevents the rocket from being kicked out or going forward. This ring here can also act like a engine stop, kind of like the ring on the back of the engine itself. And when you slide that in, you can just twist that on. And again, this part is going to be taped in. So that is the second method, and it's a little bit more attractive, a little bit more expensive because the retainers are expensive. Now the most expensive way, but actually the prettiest way, if you're going for looks, and I know a lot of you high power flyers are, you can use, that goes on there, come on, stay on. I haven't glued it on, so it's coming off. You can actually get a smaller 29mm retainer, and it's also a two-part system. This part would be glued onto your engine tube like that. You'll slide in your engine, screw it on with its cap, and then slide that into the engine system, and then screw that one on top there like that. And this is actually the most attractive way. I like this method. It's a little bit more expensive because now you're buying two retainers, but again, the engine is going to be positively strained in the rocket, and you're going to get it back. So that's 38mm engine mount retention. I'm Tim Van Milligan. This is the Apogee Rocketry Workshop. May the winds be light, may the skies be blue, and may all your rockets fly straight and true.
Hi, my name is David Verga from Colorado Springs, Colorado. So why do I buy from Apogee? Because Tim doesn't just sell rockets, he sells rocket science. You can use information on his website, and he'll tell you exactly why something as strange looking as this actually flies. So Tim's business is one of a kind, and he deserves your business. Thanks, Tim. Appreciate it.